watching a master at work.
Alright, so today I'm replacing the blower motor on my Dodge truck because it likes to brake. I got the blower motor from O'Reilly here, all that stuff. I'll show you here real quick. This is how you take it out. It's literally just 3 8mm right in this little slot here underneath your dash, and you're gonna have to reuse this unless you buy the expensive one. This little clamp holds the wheel on so you can reuse that. Mine didn't have anything in it, but look, it's obviously broken. It's on medium right now, low, and then off. So yeah, I'm gonna replace that. Alright, so basically how you get that connector off is, see this? This has a little slide here. You can see it like goes in like to this little pin right here. But you just kind of lift up and slide down and unplug it. And then you need to get pliers to take this off. Alright, so this stupid bullshit from O'Reilly, you have to frickin' cut the connector off your Denso one and frickin' crimp them down there for it to work. So keep your old one and use that Denso part number. It will be expensive if this goes out, but this is warranted, so if it goes out, it's not very hard to replace. Just take it out, say O'Reilly, hey, fuck you, and then take it back. So we'll see if this works here. Let's plug it in. Alright, so I have the truck on. Let's see if it works. I gotta go to, ooh, so that's low, medium, high, max. Whoa! That's freaking crazy. Well, it looked like it works, so we'll put it back in. Alright, let's check and see if she works, boys. Huh. Alright. We gotta turn it on first, probably. Alright, so I decided to do my heater core while I wasn't filming for that. Let's open up the truck here and see what we're doing. So what I did is I freaking broke the top of the dash off because it was a pain in the ass, and it's a Dodge, but I have a dash cover, so it'll make it easily accessible for maintenance. What you have to do is take each and every one of these bolts off along the top, and then 2 on the bottom for the steering column, and that's it. And then 2 side bolts right here. There's one right here and one on the other side. This vacuum actuator for the air conditioning, or sorry, the blower motor, it does not work unless you have the vacuum box connected. So you have to take that off. So if you can see here, here's the heater core. And you can see it's leaking right there. So yeah, I have to figure out how to pull it off through the firewall. Alright guys, so I didn't really show anything too much, but I got the heater core in. It was a pain. The truck runs and drives good now, good heat. Still gotta fix a leak from something, but I did buy some diff fluid for the rear and 12 quarts of oil. I like AMSOIL stuff because it just, I don't know, the tests don't lie. I got Donaldson filter, coolant filter, oil filter, so I'm gonna be probably either doing that today or tomorrow. I go back to work, so it won't be anything, but it's freezing outside. It's all sunny, but it's 26 degrees, so it's not really fun doing that kind of stuff in the cold, but yeah. So I'm gonna be looking into getting a trailer here soon. Just gonna bite the bullet and probably just buy one. Finance freedom, land of the free, home of them brave, America. But yeah, let me know what you think of this video, and if you have any questions about how to do Dodge heater core or any of that stuff, drop them below. Thanks.